Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Welcome to the channel. Today we are kayak fishing. I haven't kayak fished in probably a month, but we are going to take the kayak out and we're going to go see what we can catch. We've got popping corks, got some grubs, got some live shrimp. Let me show you all the live shrimp. They are ready to get eaten, kayak in the water, and we are going to get to do some fishing. So let's do it. So we're gonna pull up to this first spot here. I've got really two spots that I'm really curious to try. If y'all watched one of my videos, y'all know that I tried this spot before and I caught some smaller specks. But there's so much activity on the water right now. It's in the middle of the day too, so we'll see. But with all this activity out here, I'm really excited about this. I don't know if that was a speck, but we're gonna get right here in this area and I'm gonna drop my anchor and then I'm just gonna start popping my popping cork along. Just pretty simple, just a popping cork. I got about a 40-pound leader on here. I use 40-pound leader for pretty much anything inshore. It ensures that I can catch just about anything of size. So, and fish, and I haven't had any problems using it yet, so we're gonna try this out. Oh. So we're gonna aim for those pylons right there. I missed a little bit, but we'll just pop it, let it sit. Please get it where I want. I'm content with that, I would say. Come on. Just need one of you to be about 15, 16 inches, and I'll be okay. All right, I just got a bite. He bit the crap out of it, and I was not paying attention. Come back and bite it. Don't worry, I saw that. I don't know if he got it off in one small little bite or what. All right, we're on our second spot. Hopefully this will be the spot that I can pull out a fish worth of anything. Grab a shrimp. Oh, he's a big one. This one should be. That's a big shrimp. Let's hope that thing gets annihilated. This spot was good last time I was here, so we'll see if it still holds up. I'm just throwing my paddle tail grub while my bobber's just not getting touched by anything. So, got something. What in the world? A baby red on the grub. He is not 16 inches, but that is a red. A dead fishy. So we're just throwing this. If that takes off, then we'll most likely know about it, so. Just been bumping this along. That was first fish of the day. I guess I'll stand up. Got him. What in the world? The paddle tail grub never lets me down, man. Never lets me down. Little speck. I'm just literally just watching my bob. I'm just throwing this paddle tail grub while nothing's hitting my bobber. I have a live shrimp on there. I don't know how that's possible. Just 2 pops, let it sit. There's 2 fish on this thing though. I literally had to go on a wild goose chase to find that shrimp, by the way. And it's not even catching any fish. But I like to do 2 pops and then let it sit. All right, we did a little extending on the leader here, just because of the way the water's moving and with the wind. I just don't feel like my shrimp's gonna be able to get to where I want it. So we put a little bit of a longer leader on. We'll see if that does anything without throwing it over there. Yeah, the wind's been pretty bad, I will say that. It's been nearly a problem. Get it away from there. Oh, that was a good bite, that was a good bite, that was a good bite. Okay. Already more action on the longer leader. That's just because I had too short of a leader, so the shrimp was just getting all the way up to the top, and I don't want my shrimp on the top of the water, really. I want it to go down in the water column just a little bit. Just so, yep, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. I see you playing with it. Got him that time. Got him that time. Nice. Oh no. He swallowed it. He swallowed it. Okay. So, I've caught 2 reds and a speck right here. He was not 16 inches at all. I also don't have my tape measure on me. But I knew he was a little short. Be a little school of baby reds right here. Maybe there's a good one in here. Possibly a good redfish. Oh, I need a good redfish. Also, the fish that swallowed that hook, I got it out and he is swimming back in the water. He was A-okay, ladies and gentlemen. He was A-okay. Yo, what is this dude doing? Jet skiers. No! Don't come harass me. Don't come harass me. I'm overcasting a lot, I can tell. I need to lock in. But he's eating it. 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 Come on. I see you eating it. Take it. He's made one little run on it. There he goes. You'll see slight little pops in your bob. Oh, there he goes. Come on. Take it. Take it. He may have got it that time. But when they don't fully take it, it's kind of difficult to set the hook on him. Yeah, he may have got it. He may have got it. I think he did. But so far, I've only been out here for probably 30 minutes and I've caught 3 fish, so. And this jet skier just decided to give me a wake. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Balance, ladies and gentlemen. Balance is key. That's not what you want to do, ladies and gentlemen. I definitely do not have my shrimp on here after I did that. I don't. So the bite is started to come back alive. I've began to get some really good bites. Dude, they gave me some big shrimp today. My issue last time was the shrimp were too tiny, but this time it's like they're huge. But the bite has seemed to come back alive. I've started to get some really good bites. I had one really good bite just a minute ago and went to set that old hook there, and you know how it goes sometimes. Okay, I had to change my battery. It's a problem. Top 5 issues with filmmaking and making content is the fact that you always have to change your daggum batteries. Gotcha. I don't know what you are, but I did get you. Oh, really? Oh, huh. you kidding me? I knew it was bound to happen at some point, but I didn't think it was gonna happen now. You slimy son of a bitch. You, in fact, sir, are not what I'm after. Go where you came from. That's the trash. Go first. Yeah, that is not what we want to catch, ladies and gentlemen. Is a catfish. For a second, because I had him coming, and then he made a little run. I was like, okay, he might be something decent. Nope. He was a catfish. You know, why couldn't it have been like a 15-inch flounder? Like, why couldn't he have been that? That's just the game, you know? It's just a game we choose to play. So fishing, you never know what you're gonna catch. And that was not what I wanted to catch, ladies and gentlemen. Not at all. That was beyond what I wanted to catch. Now this right here that's biting my hook, I might want to catch. If he eats the shrimp. Eat the shrimp, please. With the cherry on top. Pan of grease. Blackening seasoning. Please eat the shrimp. I do not want to make this another eating my bait challenge. Hashtag cooking my shrimp, because no fish is gonna eat it. I just bought it too. Like, come on now. They're fresh. They're ready to be eaten. No, don't go over there. Come on, fish. Cooperate. Please. For old Dilly, your friend. Thought we were friends. I help you by feeding you a few times. You help me by letting me catch a keepable fish to put in my cooler and fillet up and put on a pan of grease. Deal? Deal. Fishy, 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 fishy. Come bite my hook, come bite my hook, come bite my hook. Fishy, 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 fishy. I hope they like my singing, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there we go. Oh, I was not ready. I was not ready. He did bite it. Shoot. Ah, that was funny. That was funny. A near eternity trying to fix this thing, we have fixed the line situation. But now it's time to catch a fish. I gave them enough time to sit and think about how much of a pain in the rear end they're being, because they're not letting me catch one that's a keeper. So we'll put that back out there. I'm just so determined right now. I'm just so determined to catch something good. Oh, like, he's like, when they take the bobber and I'm setting the hook. I might just be a little late or something. I don't know what's going on. He definitely got it off, I guarantee it. Got him that time, I think. No, what? I had him for like a literal slight moment. I'm about to just tie on a Carolina rig on my other rod, and we're just gonna see if I can maybe hook up doing that. Oh! I was just trying to reel in and he dang. To see what's over here. So we decided to, I've tied on a Carolina rig on this one just to see if this has any effect on anything. We will see momentarily. But since this is a Carolina rig, I don't have to do any popping. I just let this sit. So let's see if this does the trick or anything. We'll see what happens. Wow, beautiful day though. No complaints from me. So hopefully we'll see what this does. There's a bite. That was a bite. Oh. Getting hung, you say? Okay. Yeah. I'm so bad at casting. Wow, there's so much bait. Insane. Oh. Oh, dude, that was a good bite, ladies and gents. But with Carolina rigs, I just get to feel the bite more or less than watching the bite. So I'm going to just see if I can't pull a fish out trying this old method. Work until you try it. Got him. I don't know what this is. A croaker. Croaker. Chill. Chill. Okay, so Mr. Croaker here, it's his lucky day. He's getting turned into a live bait. Now, do I recommend this? I don't know. But we're just going to throw him out there for giggles. So I don't know if he's going to turn into a fish or anything. I really don't. I'm just kind of gonna let him do his thing. Maybe a big old speck will come through and maybe take him out. Yo, it's a pinfish. Hold up. You're my bait. You're not my bait. You're not my bait. This is so stupid. What am I doing? Will anything eat this pinfish? We'll find out. All right, today's your lucky day, sir. I'm just hoping that's not what's been eating me alive. Croaker is still out there, by the way. Croaky is out there and he is finding his home. Something picked him up. Holy freak. Hurt my... Oh, we let him go. Dude, something picked him up and my drag was literally screaming behind me. I don't know what the heck that was, but he wanted this fish more than I think I wanted him. Dude, I cannot believe he didn't take him. This moron on the boat just brought me some wake. I really do appreciate it, man. Kudos to you. Just gotta take the wake. Yeah, I hear you, bait fish. I don't have a cast net for you. My bad. Incredible. Insane. What in the world? What are you? Oh, it's a ladyfish. Not what I wanted. GoPro, stop recording. Huh. Huh. This is not what I thought I was gonna catch at all. Mr. Krabs, I have an idea. Why don't you fuck? I just caught a giant blue crab, ladies and gentlemen. This is not what I had on my bingo card. So don't take my anchor, please. Anyways, so I did not think I was gonna catch a crab, nonetheless, but we did. Oh yeah, I'm eating you, son. All right. Everybody relax. Everybody relax. Dude, I don't even know what to even think about this. I can't even drink my water now because I have this freaking big old thing in here. So he is getting kept. We're doing a blue crab catch, clean, and cook because he killed my croaker. What do I even do with you? You're getting kept. That's all I can about say. Let me try and get everything situated here so I can eat dust. Oh, he's mad. He's mad. I don't think there's anything I can necessarily do except for cut the line and retie and keep him. So we're doing that. Here, deal with that. Deal with that, you mother freaker. Yep. So, I did not expect at all to catch a blue crab out here on a free line croaker. That was not on my bingo card at all, but he is the catch, clean, and cook for this evening. So we will cook him. But let's go find this shrimp a home. What do I got? Oh. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's a big one too. I thought I had a really good fish on, but nope. Got this dude. was not what I wanted to catch. All right, y'all, so the bite really did die down a lot, and so we are going to head back to the boat ramp, and we're going to get the kayak out. We're gonna cook this crab that I caught. Did not expect to catch a crab on a freaking free-line croaker, but we're going to cook that crab, and that's gonna be the catch and cook. Blue crab catch and cook. But yeah, the bite really died off after a while because when I first got over here around 11-ish, I had 2 redfish and a trout, and I was like, okay, we're gonna get a good little bite. And then the bite just kind of died off, and I didn't really catch much after. I think it's just because I was a little late to the day. So yeah, I just should have been I should have been here a little bit earlier, and that would have been pretty nice. But yeah, so we're gonna go back and we're gonna clean it. Well, we're just gonna boil them, but we're gonna cook this crab. So see y'all in the kitchen. Time to cook this crab. Okay. You got that crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil right there. We're gonna dump this in my pot of soon to be boiling water. And he is still alive, by the way. The crab is still alive. He is going to get cooked in just a moment. Mr. Krabs is in his container until I drop him in that water of crab oil. He's like trying to pinch me. Woohoo! All right, I'm going to have to wait till I drop him. Water's boiling. I'm about to just drop.
Listen to my instructions.
What?
You lower him into the water. Put the lid on.
That's what I was going to do.
Let the water return to a boil and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes per pound.
Wait, what?
Until the crab turns bright orange.
Grandma, I don't want to drop him.
Don't you drop him.
See you, dude. You know, that was very inhumane of me to do. I'm probably going to cut that out. But I just dropped the crab in the pot. I'm going to leave him in there until he turns red. So, Mr. Krabs is done. He's going to get put in an ice bath for just a moment to cool off. He's in an ice bath. I guess whenever he cools off a little bit, we'll eat him. So, see you then. All right. Ugh. Stay, camera. Mr. Krabs here. Wow. My friend is now boiled. I don't even know where to even begin on one of these suckers. Huh? Oh, my butter. For the occasion. Got me some garlic butter on. All right. Woo. Got a nice piece of crab claw meat going down. Yeah, I'm so glad I kept him. I am so glad I kept old buddy here. Ah, yes, see, you're supposed to get that claw meat out. Holy moly. Got claws flying everywhere. All right. Crab meat. Dip it in the garlic butter. Man, I'm glad I kept that guy. He's pretty good. Should I set out crab pots? Question mark is the question. Well, Mr. Krabs, you were pretty good. I'm going to enjoy this crab. Y'all have a great day. God bless. I'll catch y'all later. GoPro, turn off.